Hi, my name is Kit Welchlin. You may be asking yourself, who is Kit Welchlin? I have delivered more than 3,000 speeches and seminars to more than 500,000 people over the last 27 years. Now you're probably wondering, well, why haven't I heard of this guy? That's probably because since 1995, more than 90% of my work has been referral and repeat business. However, the people that have been hiring me since the 1990s and early 2000s are starting to retire. That's why I'm introducing myself to you. So the presentations I deliver the most often include managing chaos and change. Are you surviving or thriving? How to become a quick change artist. Customer service. Imagine creating a world-class customer service culture. Handling difficult people, dealing with people you can't stand. Emotional intelligence and applying emotional intelligence for career success. Generational communication, communicating across the generations at work. Effective leadership. It's not just positional, it's personal. Stress, time, and procrastination management. Are you a burnout? And team building and teamwork. You're on a team. You may as well be good at it. I would love to be able to customize a presentation for you. My presentations are fun and informative. I share proven strategies that truly enhance people's lives. It would be fun to work together on one of your upcoming events.